Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting clear evidence from the story, read or skim for 3-5 major events and mark them. Once done, write down who the main characters are, where it takes place, and any repeated images or phrases because repetition often points to meaning. Make sure to note emotional moments and key choices. These reveal what the story cares about. Start now. Underline, jot quick notes, and draw simple symbols to track patterns. This gives you the raw material for discovering theme. You now look for patterns across your notes. Group repeated images, similar choices, and changes in characters. Once grouped, ask, what problem keeps coming up and how do characters respond? Use transitions, for example, because and therefore, to link a pattern to a lesson the characters learn. Make sure to phrase that lesson as a general statement about life, not a plot summary. Once done, test it. See if the statement explains multiple events. If it does, you likely have the theme. You finish by writing the theme as one clear sentence that applies beyond the story. Then, choose 2 strong examples, specific events or choices, that support that sentence because evidence makes your theme believable. Once complete, ask, does this theme explain more than one part of the story? If not, revise by rechecking patterns and how characters change. Quick troubleshooting tip. If examples feel forced, go back to your notes and find a different recurring pattern or a deeper motive. That usually fixes forced themes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.